Hello friends, welcome to Petaga Technologies. In this video, let's see how to merge cells in Power BI matrix table for tabular visualization. Power BI contains many features related to merging, like merging table, merging columns, and merging queries. Power BI also contains feature of merging cells to visualize the data in tabular format with the help of matrix visualization in Power BI desktop. Let me show you the source data. This is my source data I'm going to use for creating matrix visualization in Power BI desktop. I have four columns here: country, city, quarters, and sales. Let's create a matrix visual using this source data in Power BI desktop. Now we are in report page. In right side under field section, you can see the source data. I have selected matrix visual from visualization sections. A matrix makes it easier to display data meaningfully across multiple dimensions. It supports a stepped layout feature. The matrix automatically aggregates the data and enables drill down. Let's see how we can utilize stepped layout feature in matrix visualization to visualize our data into tabular view. I dragged country, city, and quarters from quarterly sales source data and placed it in row section in first level, second level, and third level respectively. Then I dragged sales from quarterly sales and placed it in value section. Once I placed all data, now matrix visualization looks like this. But we must visualize this data in tabular format. Let me do some format changes in matrix visual. The matrix visual automatically indents subcategories in a hierarchy called a stepped layout. With the matrix visual selected in the format section of the visualization pane, expand the row header section. By default, stepped layout is enabled and you can change it to disable. If you turn off stepped layout, Power BI shows the subcategories in another column rather than parent category. Then expand the, if you notice here, I have switched off that stepped layout. And next, you can expand the subtotal sections. By default, if you notice here, it is enabled and you can change it to disabled. Then let me select that visual and you will see a expand hierarchy button in top right of the visual. If you click once, data will get expand at level 1, and if you click once again, data will get expand to next level. Now we have converted that data into tabular format successfully using matrix visualization. To watch more videos like this, visit Petaga Technologies YouTube channel. For notifications, subscribe to this channel and activate bell icon. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.